My WINJAs. Yo, I'm gonna take some mobility exercises that we all know and I'm gonna WINJA-fy it. This is your girl Maya, and get ready to WINJA style mobility. There you have it. 5 ways to take your mobility and WINJA-fy it. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop me a comment. I love hearing from you. If you found this useful, give me a like, and I would love to see you subscribe. That I would appreciate so much. And check me out on Facebook, Instagram. I'm all over the place under Move with Maya. And I'll catch you here next time. Yo! Nailed it.